Well, hello and welcome. It's John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly in Market Update for Thursday, October the 4th, 2018. Well, let's take a look and see how the markets did today, and we finally got our unanimous decision today. If you remember yesterday, I said unanimous decision kind of with a question mark because after reaching highs, everything pulled back a little bit. Well, today we did have a rather large pullback on above average volume. The only good thing and that you will see is that we did not close on lows. So the diamonds here, you can see here the volume bar, and you can see how far back it pulled back, but it did come up before the close. You can see this rally here on the 15-minute chart. These spiders, we'll take a look and see how that chart looks, and you can see same thing here, large volume, big pullback, but had that little bit of a recovery right at the end of the day. IWM, had the big pullback, large volume. Now it did not recover near as much, but it did not close at absolute lows. And the Qs, big pullback. It did have a little recovery, but kind of like in between those. So large volume, big pullback. A lot of concern over the interest rates on the 10-year bonds going up. So we will just have to watch and see what happens with this market as we get the jobs report tomorrow morning, which may affect it one way or the other. Now let's go ahead and take a fast look at Holly and see how she did on this day when markets pulled back. And you can see here Holly Grail had 14 trades, $2.72 profit, $2.95 risk on profit. Holly 2.0 had just 6 trades for 24 cents profit, 23 cents loss risk on profit, and Holly Neo had just 10 trades, 240 profit, 366 risk on profit. The way it shook out was we had 30 trades today, $5.36 profit, 638 risk on profit. For the week, Holly is at 182 trades, 748 profit, $12.30 risk on profit. So that's the Holly update. We'll take a quick look and see what trades may have been significant within it. And you can see here the high number of short trades Holly was in today. And COHU was the winner in the risk off for Holly Grail. And you can see here what a nice trade that was, 62 cents. She got out for a timed exit. Had you would have stayed in it, you would have only made 30 cents risk on profit. And then she had PNFP, was also a very, very nice trade, 55 cents profit. Had you stayed in there, you actually would have lost 15 cents. On the risk on category, short trade AIMC, and you can see here she got out of it because of a timed exit, made 20 cents. But, as we always talk about, the man with the machine, okay? If you would have put your trader's cap on and, possibly stayed in there, you could have made 74 cents on it and possibly even a little bit more had you exited before. And the second trade was Angie, another short trade, 72 cents risk on profit. So you can see the intraday there. Now we'll go ahead and jump over to Holly 2.0 and take a quick look and see how she did there. And you can see here all she had was shorts, and VLY was her best trade on the risk on category. And you can see she got out because of a timed exit, 12 cent profit, and had you stayed in till the end of the day, 17 cents. And like all the other charts we looked at, had this recovery at the end. The risk off trade was FOCS. She made 44 cents on that, got out for a timed exit. That was the power hour short. And now we'll jump on over to Holly Neo, take a look and see how that did. And once again, you can see here the strong short preference in her trades. and we had two of them where she made $1. She hit the target on HDP. Nice short trade. Downward dog was the strategy. Had you stayed in until the end of the day, just 94 cents. And SLDB was another trade. Time or target hit, I apologize, on both of those. The target was hit at the dollar, but had you stayed in it, you could have made $1.54. And yes, that was the high one there. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring back our ebook for you one more time. 5 ways to win in a post-BTFD market. Well, this book could have certainly done you well today. The way this market is, we're very apt to have a gap up and an up day tomorrow. You just don't know what this market is bringing. So, just as with Holly, it would do you well to be able to trade on both sides of it. And if you go to this link here, you can download the free ebook. You just put in your email address. We'll send you the link and you can download it. So it would be very beneficial. So I hope you give that a try if you haven't already. And remember, you can always follow me at my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on StockTwits or Twitter. If you got anything out of this video, I'd ask you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up there, and maybe drop a comment in, maybe share it with some friends. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to these videos so you never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.